On the surface of the calm water, a small boat floats gently. Like a leaf lost on the stream. The boat, a symbol of adventure and freedom, has always been an indispensable part in legends and in people's daily lives. Looking far out to sea, the boat seems to fade into the vast picture of the sea, but inside, it contains thousands of stories, from the endless journeys of sailors floating on the ocean to beautiful memories of idyllic trips along peaceful rivers. Each boat carries its own soul, as a part of human life. Personal boats, with their own unique features, represent adventure and independence. Big ships, with hundreds of white sails, symbols of strength and determination to reach beyond the sea. But a boat is more than just a means of transportation on water. For many people, it is also a refuge, a place to find peace amid the hustle and bustle of urban life. On peaceful rivers or on pristine seashores, the boat becomes a symbol of peace and solidarity with nature. Each boat is also a lesson in patience and perseverance. During the construction and maintenance process, the boatman must spend hours and days taking care of and renewing his boat. But from that effort, they learn confidence and perseverance, valuable lessons in life. Ultimately, the boat represents hope and the human desire for adventure. It has always been a symbol of life, where we can put our faith in new discoveries and endless journeys. And when we see a boat, we also remember that, no matter where we are in this life, adventure and freedom can always be found within our hearts.